Erin here for another edition of Wee Wednesday. Myself and Miss Colleen are so excited to host you this morning. So let's jump right in and see what instrument we're using. So I've got my trusty songbook here. Just a reminder, our theme for April is baby animals. So we've got a really fun baby animal themed book that we're gonna read today. And it's April 21st, so we're gonna be using a scarf for our instrument today. I've got this lovely blue scarf. Maybe yours looks like this, maybe it's a different color, maybe it's mom's scarf, maybe it's a t-shirt. That's fine, as long as you can wave it around like this, side to side, and up and down, you'll be good to go. All right, so without further ado, let's welcome each other this morning and sing Hello Friends. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. It's time to say hello. Hi friends and good morning. All right, now it's time to grab a scarf. It's time to grab a scarf. It's time to grab a scarf today. It's time to grab a scarf. Great job, friends. And now I know yours can go up and down, right? Just like mine, up and down, up and down. Can it go side to side? Can it go in a circle? Show me your scarf in a circle. Great job, friends. One last really good shake. All right. Our first song for this morning is called Put Your Hands Up High, okay? Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows in the front, put your elbows in the back, put your elbows to the sides and whack, whack, whack. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows in the front, put your elbows in the back, put your elbows to the side and quack, quack, quack. Great job. Give a good shake. Good shake, 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 shake. All right. Our next song is called Little Raindrops Falling Down, okay? Remember with this one, we're gonna start by being quiet raindrops, really quiet. So try snapping. And remember, if you can't snap, you can just try kind of moving your fingers together like this, okay? Let's get started. Little raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Little raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. Okay, now we're gonna be bigger raindrops. So we're gonna clap. Can you clap with me? Bigger raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Bigger raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. Now we're gonna be giant raindrops. Okay, so stomp your feet, move your hands up and down with your scarf. Giant raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Giant raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. Great job, all of my raindrops. All right, friends, those are the two instrument songs we're gonna do for this morning. So now it is time to put our scarves away. It's time to put the scarves away, scarves away, scarves away. Time to put the scarves away, put them away for another day. Great job, friends. And now we're gonna check out our felt play for this morning. Our felt play for this morning is 5 Hungry Ants. So let's get into it. 5 hungry ants marching in a line. They came upon a picnic and it looked mighty fine. They marched into the salad. They marched into the cake. They marched into the pepper, but that was a mistake. How many hungry ants do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold up your 4 fingers. 4 hungry ants marching in a line. They came upon a picnic, and it looked mighty fine. They marched into the salad. They marched into the cake. They marched into the pepper, but that was a mistake. All right, how many ants do we have now? 3. Hold up your 3 fingers. 3 hungry ants marching in a line. They came upon a picnic, and it looked mighty fine. They marched into the salad. They marched into the cake. They marched into the pepper, but that was a mistake. How many ants do we have left? Can you count them with me? 1, 2. Hold up your 2 fingers. 2 hungry ants marching in a line. They came upon a picnic, and it looked mighty fine. They marched into the salad. They marched into the cake. They marched into the pepper, but that was a mistake. How many ants do we have left? Just 1. But he's still very hungry. 1 hungry ant marching in a line. He came upon a picnic, and it looked mighty fine. He marched into the salad. He marched into the cake. He marched into the pepper, but that was a mistake. No more ants. I hope that you all enjoyed this felt play, and now we're going to head back to our main set for some movement songs.
We're going to start out today with the flower song, and as you know, flowers start from teeny tiny little seeds. Can you make a little seed? Very good, and then they grow, 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 and bloom. So we need to make ourselves a tiny little seed. So let's curl up in a ball and make a tiny seed and get ready to grow. Here we go. Curl up like a tiny seed, a tiny seed, a tiny seed. Warm sun is all you need. Now you can start growing. Drink the rain and start to rise and start to rise and start to rise. Stretch up tall, arms open wide. Now a flower showing. Very good. Flowers aren't the only things that grow from small to bigger. Animal babies don't stay babies, they grow, don't they? So today we're going to do the animal song, and the first animal is an elephant. And when it's a baby, it's called a calf, and then it grows into a mama or daddy elephant. So to do the motions, you're going to stomp your feet. If you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet and wave your trunk. And the second animal is a duck. They start out after they hatch out of eggs as ducklings and then go into ducks. So we're going to flap our wings and say quack, quack. Are you ready? Here we go. If you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet and wave your trunk. If you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet and wave your trunk. If you're an elephant and you know it, and you really, really want to show it, if you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet and wave your trunk. Very good. Let's do the duck. If you're a duck and you know it, flap your wings, quack, quack. If you're a duck and you know it, flap your wings, quack, quack. If you're a duck and you know it, and you really, really want to show it, if you're a duck and you know it, flap your wings, quack, quack. Very good, everybody.
Our story for this morning is Beastly Babies, written by Alan Jackson and illustrated by Brendan Wenzel. I'm reading this book with permission from Beach Lane Books and Simon & Schuster. Beastly Babies. Babies can be smooth or hairy, quail or whale or dromedary. Babies can be one or many, lots and lots, or hardly any. Mama tigers crawl and creep, walking, stalking, then they leap. Tiger babies pounce and fail when they aim for mama's tail. Beaver mamas chomp and gnaw, using teeth just like a saw. Now the baby does it too, biting more than he can chew. Elephants of jumbo size drowse and doze and close their eyes. Babies butt and ram and slap. There goes mama's noontime nap. Mama Robin brings a treat, slugs or bugs or something sweet. Baby twitters, give me more. I got 3, but she got 4. Baby rhino gets a nuzzle from his mama's mega muzzle. Munching, crunching, he'll grow large. Watch him practice how to charge. Mamas gather, weave and shred, grass and leaves to make a bed. Whether kit or chick or pup, wriggling babies mess it up. Puppies slobber, kittens spill, young gorillas can't sit still. Mamas gobble, mamas cluck, barnyard babies run amok. Baby piglets will not wallow. Baby ducklings do not follow. Baby otters splash and splish. Baby bear can't catch a fish. Baby buffalo get grumpy. Baby kangaroos get jumpy. Baby octopi squirt ink. Baby skunks cause quite a stink. Making mischief, having fun, each is precious, every one. In a knoll, a hole, or nest, mamas love their babies best. Babies muss and fuss and cry, but they grow up by and by. And what awaits them when they're grown? Beastly babies of their own. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed the story for this morning, and now we're gonna head back to our main set to say goodbye.
Thanks for joining us for Wee Wednesday. Hope you join us again next week. It's time for our goodbye song. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.